once the war is over and Ukraine is victorious, Canada and other G7 countries, as well as all partners, need to be there to support the Ukraine in their rebuild. Again, I was on the ground in Ukraine. It's where I got this beautiful flag from, and I saw a beautiful country with beautiful people, incredible skills and abilities, and there are so many opportunities where Canada, and in particular British Columbia, can play a leading role in providing investment opportunities in Ukraine and vice versa. And I think there'll be many mechanisms that we'll be able to explore, and I think are exploring.